To create your side board for the side of the mirror, you're going to create a new part. So hit New, Part, Start. Then you'll select Front Plane, Front View. We're going to draw this the way we look at it on the actual mirror. So we're going to draw our rectangle downward. Our dimensions, width-wise, will be 3.5. And our height will be 18.5. Created that, I'm going to exit sketch. I'm going to select my sketch. Then I'm going to make it three-dimensional. So I'm going to extrude boss base. I'm going to give it a depth of 0.75, which is how big the wood is that you'll be using. I'll check mark it. There is your board. But now we have to create a cut. If you look at your different planes, the best view to create that cut is your top plane. So you'll select top plane, top view. Then we're going to sketch that same box that you did when you did your top board. So hit sketch and we're going to draw a rectangle. This time, instead of doing the bottom right and up, we're going to use our top right corner and create that box. You're going to use your same dimensions, which is 3/8 of an inch, which is also 0.375 for height and width. I have it drawn up. I'm going to exit my sketch. This is where it's tricky because of the way the mirror is set up is when we cut through it, we're not cutting all the way through the board. So we're going to have an offset of that distance. So we're going to select our sketch, we're going to hit Features, hit Extrude Cut. If you look at it here, it's starting on the top there. Okay, but before we get into it, we're going to set a length of that cut. So right on the left side where it says D1, we are going to enter 12.25 inches. Now we want to move this cut starting at a different point. So we're going to slide it down. Where it says from here, we're going to hit offset and type in a distance of 3.125. Okay. Once you hit enter, it will go. Mine went up. In order to change that down, all you have to do is where it says from here, hit the two arrows. And it moves it down to where it should be. At this point, you'll be able to check mark. This has the cut correctly done. Now, if you look at our mirror, what you will notice, our edges of our board are rounded, so it's not sharp. So we are going to fillet our edges. So we're going to go to fillet, and under the amount, we are going to, in the wood shop, use a router. There's different router sizes. Okay? If I put 0.25, that would be the router size that we'd use. When we select our edges here, we're just going to do the front side of the mirror. So we'll hit the top edge, the exterior edge, the opposite side of the cut that we just made, and the bottom edge. Just like that. Given in the wood shop, you'll use different size router bits. Okay? You could use an 1/8 inch, which is 0.125, but I'm going to use a 1/4 inch. And I'll check mark it. That's what your piece should look like. At this point, please save it into your folder.